This is Karen with Grace Be Creations. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a wonderful week so far. I can't believe it's Wednesday already and we're going into Thursday. I'm so excited. I have so many things going on this week that I'm excited about, but I wanted to start off with a Crafty Me Shop design team book. This is my second design team project for August. I can't believe I'm actually saying the word August. I cannot believe we're going into September already. This is crazy. This is my second design team project for Crafty Me Shop, and I decided to make a tall, slim journal. I've been working on it for a couple of weeks, off and on between the series that I'm doing, and another series that I'm doing. I'm working on 3 books, now 2. I just finished this one, and I'm so excited to share it with you all. I absolutely love this journal, and I think what I love most about this journal, not just because I'm using Crafty Me Shop laces, that's a given, but it wasn't planned. I didn't have the layouts all laid out. I didn't have the signatures all planned out. I didn't have the topper all planned out. This was something that totally happened as I was working on it. It was one of those things where it just flowed. And I did one of my old techniques on the front of this book. I have a technique that I do where I embed a photo into a lace crevice, where I create like a crevice, like a lace partition here, and then I either have a ripped paper or a fabric or a lace on this side, where I rip both sides and I have a lace underneath, and I go and put a image in between it, so it looks like it's kind of like almost like a flow of water down a river. It kind of looks like that without the picture in it, and I added the vintage photo inside of it. And so I love how it's just sitting inside the lace, and I love that look, and I used to do it all the time with my tags, and so I thought I would incorporate it onto the front of my my journal. So this is the front. This is all Crafty Me laces. Every single piece in here is Crafty Me Shop. Let me take a sip of my water. I've been like talking all day today. This is all Crafty Me Shop laces. This one here is vintage lace that I got from one of her live sales that she was doing. Absolutely beautiful. And I didn't even iron it because I wanted to keep it in its original state. So I've got that, and so here's the cover, and there's a really pretty applique right here, and trim, one of my favorite trims. And I decided to add, I couldn't make the image long enough to fit top to bottom without losing the ratio going right to left. So what I did is, so that the photo edges didn't show, I added some of her beautiful lace trim on the top and the bottom to kind of separate it. So I love how that came out. And here's some of those ruffles there that she was just selling. I absolutely love them. Let me open it up. Now note, in this book, I don't fill every single page. I like to leave some empty in case I want to add to it later, or just to leave it empty, you know? Sometimes less is more, is what I believe. So here's the front. These are my favorite. I'm down to 1. I keep on asking Esme for more of these. I absolutely love them. They just have this little sparkle, and I just love how it looks on lace. And then I went and stenciled that, and I added 2 of my favorite ribbon through laces on top and bottom. And we have the ruffle on the bottom. This was some of the vintage lace I got in a box about 4 months ago. I went into some of my older lace for this book that I got from her a long time ago that I've been hoarding. We have that really pretty image that I got from Virginia in her beautiful, beautiful packet that she gave me with the journal I bought from her. And then we have the Tiffany & Company stamp. That's why I mentioned this last night. I absolutely love it. And I love it because it's just not the Tiffany and Company. It has like the whole entire, there's 2 different stamps that you can use. And this is the one that she does. I absolutely love it. And then this folds down, and I've got 2 Polaroids here. Place here. Go here. And I left that empty because I just loved how that looked, showing off the lace. Sometimes it's good just to show off the lace without covering it with ephemera. And I love this little piece I did here using like edges of her appliques and laces here. And I have embossing paper that I used with writing. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'll bring it up a little bit closer. You can see the writing on that. Love that. I love that. Gorgeous. And this is some of that antique edging that I got out of her box. And we have a corset. Polaroid. I added some of the lace on the edge there too. I always leave the center open. And I just use like some simple laces on the side just to give it a nice look. I did vellum printing on that. These are vellum tags that I printed on using the rose kit. I love this applique. And that was in that, I got this big giant bag at her last live that had a bunch of stuff in it. And I just got all kinds of adorable laces and appliques. And just so you know, Crafty Me Shop is a Facebook group run by Esme. And she has her sales every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm going to post her Facebook group below. She sells amazing, beautiful laces, antique appliques, and she does antique sales. She even does sales where she does books and she does old stamps, and amazing. Her stuff is just, there's no words. It's just either no words or too many words. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here's one of the antique laces that I got that was actually, she had it in a bag, and I actually had a bag and she wrote vintage on it. And this is some of that there. I absolutely love it. I thought I would add that to the spool. And then I did embossing here. This is that embossing by Tim Holtz that is just the I forget what it's called. Alt New has one. It's the embossing. They have the cutout one too, but this is just the embossing one. It's like really hard to get. And Laura Mitchell actually made me some of these already pre-done. I'm like, I was so happy she did that. We have a tall tag there. And then just a ledger and a bow made out of her laces. And we have some more Polaroids here. It's a simple, slim journal. That's what I love about it. It's not, I didn't do 2 or 3 signatures. I did a simple, tall, slim, and I absolutely love it. And that's the back, all covered in her laces. And that's it. That is the book. It is the journal. I absolutely love this. I am so happy with it, and I hope you guys like it too. One of my favorite pages is probably this one right here. I just love doing the stenciling, and stenciling is one of my favorite things to do, and I gotta do a video. We should do a live with doing stenciling soon. We do have a live this weekend doing belly bands. Maggie's project that she wanted to do was picked out of a jar. So we're going to do belly bands this weekend. We did not have a live last weekend. I had something I had to take care of that was really important. I always say that family and friends come first, and this was really important, so I could not do the live last week. So we are having a live this weekend, and we're going to do belly bands, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you, all you girls. I miss you so much. I've gotten so many messages from you guys asking if I was okay. I'm like, yes, I've just been really busy. And anyway, so this is Crafty Me project number 2. I have number 3 coming up. I'm already half done it. Can't wait to share it with you all. I wanted to show you a sample, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to make it a surprise. And then I have another flip through video on my last journal before the last one. I know people are waiting to see that as well. So anyways, definitely go check out Esme, her Facebook group. I'm going to leave a link below. Esme, thank you so much for always selling us the absolute best laces ever. She has her sales again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And don't miss out. I also post on my Facebook group when the sale starts. So if you want to put your notifications on, I'll let everybody know when her sales are starting on the weekend so you won't miss it. I hope you guys have a great evening. Leave a comment below, hit that like button. And if you're new, welcome. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great night, guys. Bye.